Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Dandi and I am a data analyst. I created this course for students who wants to do data analysis in Pandas. We will do different kind of data analysis on our dataset, and also we will learn about different methods to clean the data. This is a full and comprehensive course on Pandas. In this course we will practically implement all the features of Pandas library. The Pandas course has 10 sections. First section is the introduction. Second section is data description. In this section we will understand our dataset and we will import that into our Python notebook. In third section we will create a manual data frame. In fourth section we will talk about data cleaning. In fifth section we will handle the empty cells. In sixth section we will deal with wrong data. In seventh section we will understand the different data types. In eighth section we will deal with duplicate rows. In ninth section we will learn about correlation between two variables. In 10th section we will conclude the Pandas course. At the end of each section you will get an assignment to complete for practical implementation of what we have learned in that section. You can complete this course within a week if you give only half an hour every day. There is no prerequisites for Pandas course, but very basic knowledge of Python programming language will be a plus. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to ask in Q&A tab. I will personally answer all your questions and doubts within 24 hours. If you face any other issue or have any suggestion, you can ask in Q&A section. I will try my best to resolve all your problems. So all the best and welcome to this course. We will achieve great things together.